Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having low monthly fuel costs with popular features and a good deal, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. You are going to love the 2015 Accord. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, mirror memory, remote trunk release, FWD, headlights auto off. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.